To use your Pluxee card for Amazon shopping. 1. Open the Amazon app or go to the Amazon website and log in to your account. 2. Add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart and tap Proceed to checkout. 3. On the payment method page, choose Add a credit or debit card. 4. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV printed on it. 5. Tap Add your card to save it as a payment method. 6. Select your Pluxee card during checkout and tap Continue. 7. If required, enter the OTP, one-time password, sent to your registered mobile number to confirm payment. 8. Once approved, the purchase amount will be deducted from your Pluxee balance and your order will be placed successfully. 9. If Amazon doesn't directly accept Pluxee in your country, use your balance to buy an Amazon gift card from a Pluxee partner store, then redeem it on Amazon to shop easily.